Welcome to the 2024 Goyle Regional Championship. Today we bring you the final contest in the Western Zone, which features St. John's School, Archbishop Porter Girls, and Shama SHS. Let's meet the contestants as they introduce themselves. Sitting next to me, we have St. John's School. They are represented by
Prince Ankwanda,
Selassie Anapo John Kelvin.
Thank you very much. Then we have Archbishop Porter Girls, represented by
Palmer Pearl Abba Obin.
Ivy Nyamikeku Ajuba Boa.
Thank you very much. Shama SHS is represented by
Final year.
Asari William, final year.
Thank you very much. The Goyle Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goyle with support from Joy News. We acknowledge also the support from Charles in preparing these brilliant students to participate in the competition. This is a primetime production, and I am Fifi Hope, Quizmaster. It promises to be a very noisy contest at the beginning, and then we will see what pans out. Let me remind you that 30 seconds if it involves calculation, 10 seconds if it doesn't, and in round one, wait for my judgment before you press to answer a bonus question. You are too experienced in this business at this point. I wish you all very well. Preamble. This looks like a physics question. Find the magnitude of the electric field. 2.0 meters from, this is to St. John's, 2.0 meters from a 3.2 nanocoulomb charge. Yes.
7.2 volt per meter.
That's correct. Porters. 0.3 meters. Let me take it again. 0.30 meters. 0.30 meters from a negative 4.5 nanocoulomb charge.
135 Newton per coulomb.
No. St. John's.
450 volt per meter.
Fantastic. Shama. 0.60 meters from a negative 3.4 nanocoulomb charge. Come, if there is something to be said.
We have 85 Newton per coulomb.
That's correct. Preamble. Find the Cartesian equation in x and y from the given equations. St. John's. X is equal to 2 sec theta plus 5. Y is equal to 3 tan theta minus 3. Yes.
We have a fraction with numerator, an expression in brackets, x plus 5. That's expression squared. This fraction has a denominator of this fraction A fraction with numerator x minus 5, that expression squared on 4, minus another fraction with numerator y plus 3, that expression squared on 9 is equal to 1.
Bonus. Shama.
I have 9 multiplying a bracket y plus 3, and that bracket has a power of 2, plus 4 multiplying into bracket x minus 5, and that bracket has a power of 2. All of this is equal to 1.
Minus 1. Prince, I'm sure you know why. It's x minus 5, not x plus 5. Porters, x is equal to 3 sec theta plus 7, and y is equal to 4 tan theta plus 5. Just hear you.
X, an expression with numerator in bracket x minus 7, all squared, all over 9, minus an expression with numerator in bracket y minus 5, all squared, all over 16 equals 1.
Thank you. Shama, x is equal to 5 sec theta minus 3. Y is equal to 2 tan theta minus 4.
I have a fraction with numerator. X plus 3. This x plus 3 squared all over 25 plus into bracket y plus 4. This y plus 4 all squared, and this expression over 4. All of this is equal to 1.
Bonus. St. John's.
We have a fraction with numerator x plus 3, that expression all squared divided by 25, minus another fraction with numerator y plus 4, that expression all squared over 4 equals 1.
Thank you. Find, and this is for St. John's to start with. Find the maximum angular magnification that can be obtained with a simple magnifier of focal length 12.5 centimeters. Yes.
So we have negative 8.00.
Bonus. I have 3.00. Porters, find the focal length of a simple magnifier that can yield a maximum angular magnification of 2.00.
Okay. 1.60 centimeters.
Bonus. Okay, you don't seem interested. 25.0 centimeters. Shama, find the focal length of a simple magnifier that can yield a maximum angular magnification of 2.25.
55.5 centimeters.
Bonus. $20.0. St. John's, name one hormone that can cause fruit formation without pollination taking place.
Cytokinin.
No. It's available. Let's make progress. Porters, what plant hormone is responsible for phototropism?
Auxin.
Thank you. Shama, what class of hormones promotes cell division?
So we have the cytokinins.
Thank you. St. John's, what is circadian rhythm?
The circadian rhythm is located in the brain, and this rhythm controls sleeping in an organism, mostly human beings.
I will find out. It's a bonus. It's a biological rhythm that operates in a 24-hour cycle. Porters, what is the internal mechanism by which a biological rhythm is maintained in the absence of appropriate environmental stimuli?
Homeostasis.
No. It's available for plus or minus 1. Biological clock. Shama, what two Latin words make up the word circadian? Come.
We have circa and cardia.
You have guessed your way for 2 points. Seka and die. Preamble. Find the coordinates of the stationary points of the given curve. St. John's, y is equal to x cubed minus 12x plus 7.
So we have the coordinates to be 2, negative 9, and the second coordinate is negative 2, 23.
Thank you. Porters, y is equal to x cubed minus 6x squared plus 10.
0, 10, and 4, 50.
2 out of 3. 0, 10 is correct. 4, negative 22. Shama, y is equal to x cubed minus 3x plus 8. Come.
We have the coordinates to be 1, 6 and negative 1, 10.
Fantastic. Preamble. Give the name of one saturated organic compound with molecular formula C6H12, which has a parent chain of 4 or 5 carbon atoms. Let's hear one each.
1-methyl cyclopentane.
All right. Porters.
2-ethyl butane.
No. Shama.
We have ethyl cyclobutane.
Thank you. So we could have done 1,1-dimethyl cyclobutane, 1,2-dimethyl cyclobutane, and then 1,3-dimethyl cyclobutane. Last set in the round. Preamble. Give the name of the simplest compound formed between the following pairs of elements. Is that clear? St. John's, boron and iodine.
Boron iodide.
No. Shama.
Boron 3 iodide.
I can't take it. I will come back to that. Porters. Silicon and bromine.
Silicon tetrabromide.
Thank you. Shama. Arsenic and hydrogen. Come.
Arsenic trihydride.
Thank you. So, William, the first one should have been boron triiodide. End of round 1.
Ohima, no be me taking number first.
By you. Me I tell you say take the number give me.
Guys, now I'm tired. I'll go on a date with whoever gets here first.
Princess, really?
Okay, I dey come. Mame, feel me tank number what? Boss, fill my tank with Super XP Ron 95.
Well up with Super XP Ron 95 and Diesel XP high performance products from Goyle.
I'm on the back here why try me kakra wan pacho. Ma short to full Mr. Wa. If you me tank us na me bawo.
Sorry, Tony got here first, so I'm stepping with him.
Oh, cut him. Hey, go for na buajo ngwa mami.
Choose Super XP Ron 95 and Diesel XP for an energizing driving experience. Always go for Goyle Super XP Ron 95. Goyle, good energy.
Goyle is good energy.
At the end of round 1, St. John's has 11 points. Archbishop Girls has 11 points. And Shama has 15 points. Round 2. In round 2, you can press the bell at any time. We shall pause and listen to you. If it's a competitor, then we'll wait for him to finish. But when you ring the bell, you have 3 seconds to commence your response. And I'll plead that we don't precede our answers with preambles. I would consider your preambles as part of the first 3 seconds. Take note. Which cavity of the body harbors the brain and spinal cord? Dorsal cavity. Which organ synthesizes urea? St. John's.
The liver.
The liver. If log to the base y, bracket opens 3x plus 1, bracket closes, minus log to the base y, bracket opens, x plus 2, bracket closes, is equal to 1. Express what? St. John's.
Y is equal to a fraction with numerator 3x plus 1 and denominator x plus 2.
Thank you. A function is defined by y is equal to 2x plus 1 in brackets over x minus 3 in brackets, for x is not equal to 3. Find the inverse. Shama.
The inverse is a fraction with numerator 3x plus 1 and denominator 2 minus x.
Sorry. Porters.
A fraction with numerator 3x plus 1 and denominator x minus 2.
I can't accept it. Find the inverse.
Y inverse is equal to a fraction with numerator 3x plus 1 and denominator x minus 2.
Minus 1, St. John's. Where x is not equal to 2. Calculate the mass of potassium sulfate, K2SO4, required to prepare 1.00 dm cube of a 0.250 mole per dm. Shama.
We have the mass to be equal to 4.50 by 10 to the power 1 grams.
Next bell. St. John's.
41.5 grams. 41.5 grams.
I don't have that. Porters.
43.5 grams.
That is what I have. Determine the sum of the coefficients of products in a balanced equation of the reaction. C3H8O plus O2 going to CO2. Shama.
7.
Sorry. O2 plus H2O. Archbishop Porters?
14.
Thank you. The wavelength of a 560 hertz wave in a dispersionless medium is 4.0 meters. Find the wavelength of a 320 hertz wave in the medium. Shama. St. John's.
The wavelength is 7.0 meters.
Thank you. A uniform round wire made of ohmic material has resistance 0.20 ohms. Find the resistance of a similar wire twice as long and half as thick. St. John's.
0.80 ohms.
Sorry. .6 ohms. Name two target organs or tissues of insulin. St. John's.
The target organs are the liver and the lungs.
-1. Shama.
You have the liver and blood.
-1. Liver, muscles, skeletal for that matter, and adipose tissues. Find the set of real values of K such that the equation x squared minus 2kx plus 4 is equal to 0 has real roots. St. John's.
The set of values of K such that K is a member of all real numbers where K is greater than or equal to 2 or K is less than or equal to -2.
Thank you. After 34 minutes, 2.50 grams of a radioisotope remains. Given its half-life is 8.5 minutes. How many grams?
So we have the mass to be 40.40 grams.
40.40 grams -1. Okay, go ahead.
0.156 grams.
Sorry. -1. The answer is 40 grams. Find the effective capacitance obtained when a 12 millifarad capacitor, a 15 millifarad capacitor, and a 25 millifarad capacitor are connected in series. St. John's.
62 millifarad.
-1. 5.3 millifarad. That brings us to the end of round 2.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
Substitution. Grace Amo is leaving us from Porters. Is coming in, I beg your pardon. And Ivy is leaving. At the end of the round 2, Shama SHS has 10 points. Porters has 13 points. And St. John's has 17 points. In round 3, you are responding to true or false statements. 2 if you get it right, and you lose 1 if you miss it. And you have to keep your eyes in my direction. I'm starting from Shama. The preamble says in plants. In plants. Tropism always results in the movement of a part towards a stimulus.
False.
That is correct. St. John's. Tropism in cells is effected by water movement.
False.
That is correct. Porters. Tropism is a response to the biotic environment.
False.
You are right. Shama. Cartilage can be semi-liquid. Come.
True.
-1. St. John's. Cartilage can be shaped.
True.
Thank you. Porters. Cartilage is rigid.
False.
-1. Shama. Isotones are atoms of different elements that have the same mass number. Yes, William.
False.
Thank you. St. John's. Isotones have identical atomic numbers but different mass numbers.
False.
That is not wrong. Porters. Isotones can belong to the same chemical element. Speak if you have an answer.
False.
Come again.
False.
Thank you. Shama. Cracking is a process used to break down large hydrocarbon molecules into smaller ones. Come.
True.
That is correct. St. John's. Cracking can be thermal cracking, catalytic cracking, or hydro cracking.
False.
That is not correct. -1. Porters. Catalytic cracking does not require the use of heat to break down hydrocarbons.
False.
Thank you. Shama. The heat capacity at constant pressure of an object equals its heat capacity at constant volume. Speak.
True.
William, I'm sorry. -1. St. John's. The heat capacity at constant pressure of an object is less than its heat capacity at constant volume.
False.
That is correct. No meaningful distinction can be made between heat capacity at constant pressure and heat capacity at constant volume.
False.
Thank you. Shama, the acceleration of an object equals one of the forces acting on it divided by the object's mass. William.
False.
That is correct. St. John's. A component of the acceleration of an object equals the force acting on it that is parallel to the component divided by the object's mass.
True.
I'm sorry. It's a false statement. -1. Porters. The acceleration of an object equals the net force acting on it divided by the object's mass.
True. True.
That is correct. Shama, in the first bracket, x squared plus 4x minus 16 multiplying the second bracket, x minus 4, is equal to x cubed plus 64. Come.
False.
William, 2 points. St. John's. X squared minus 3x plus 9, all in brackets, multiplying x minus 3 is equal to x cubed minus 27.
False.
Thank you. Porters. X squared minus 4x minus 16, all in brackets, multiplying x plus 4 is equal to x cubed minus 64.
False.
Thank you. The last set of questions in the round. Preamble. A, B, C are non-empty subsets in a universal set U. Is that clear? Okay. Shama. A union bracket opens B intersection C bracket closes is equal to bracket opens A union B bracket closes intersection bracket opens A union C bracket closes. Come.
True.
That is correct. A union B in brackets intersection C is equal to A union C in brackets intersection B union C in brackets.
False.
Thank you. A, intersection, bracket opens, A union B, bracket closes, is equal to A.
False.
It's a true statement. -1. That brings us to the end of round 3.
By you. You tell me say take the number give me.
Guys, now I'm tired. I'll go on a date with whoever gets here first.
Princess, really?
Okay, I dey come. Mame, feel me tank na mo ati. Boss, fill my tank with Super XP Run 95.
Well up with Super XP Run 95 and Diesel XP high performance products from Goyle.
Man, the best is here. Why? Try me to come pacho. Ma short to full, Mr. Wa. If you let me tank, no, me bow.
Sorry, Tony got here first, so I'm stepping with him.
Oh,
Cut him.
hey, go for na buaju ngwa mami.
Choose Super XP Run 95 and Diesel XP for an energizing driving experience. Always go for Goyle Super XP Run 95. Goyle, good energy.
Goyle is good energy.
At the end of the 3rd round, Shama SHS 20 points. Archbishop Girls 23 points. St. John's School 27 points. So this final contest is going down to the wire. Round 4. In this round, we have the Goyle Riddle Bonanza, which will reward a school that solves 3 or all 4 riddles correctly. At this stage, solving 3 riddles will fetch the team 200.00 Ghana cedis, while solving 4 riddles will fetch the team 400 Ghana cedis. The Goyle Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goyle, good energy. Round 4, as indicated earlier, 4 riddles. I am found in plants, but not exclusively. In plants, I provide mechanical strength. I am a strand, usually pointed at both ends. I am important to the fabric industry. I made the production of paper possible. Shama.
Cellulose.
Cellulose is not correct. Porters.
Fiber.
Oh, 3 points. I am a mathematical problem. I am not an equation, but quite similar. You can say I am an inequality. Porters. Porters.
Linear inequality.
Let's continue quietly. I involve a well-known polynomial with a discriminant. Shama.
Quadratic inequality.
You are not wrong. I am a type of chemical reaction. I am associated with heat or light. I occur in processes such as combustion. I increase the temperature of the surroundings. St. John's.
Exothermic reaction.
Shama also pressed, but St. John's is right. I am a physical quantity. I am electrical in nature. Porters.
Electric charge.
That cannot be accepted as a correct answer. I am generated by devices that convert various forms of energy into electrical energy. I am called a force.
Electromotive force.
You are not wrong.
Enjoy high performance at the same price with the Super XP Ron 95. Goil, good energy.
At the end of the contests, the finals of the Western Zonal Championship, Shama SHS, 23 points. Well done, Shama, Blessed, and William. Archbishop Girls, 26 points. Well done, Pearl, Ivy, and Grace. But eventually, St. John's School, Prince and Kelvin, very vintage, very composed, excellent students, 33 points. Thank you for joining us for the 2024 GOIL Regional Championship from the Western Zone. The GOIL Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by GOIL with support from Joy News. We acknowledge also the support from Charles in preparing these brilliant students to participate in the competition. This indeed is a prime time production. Thank you all very much. Fifi Hoop here.